my birthday.
What?
Yeah, it's mommy's birthday.
What?
I just said
Look, Mommy, thank you.
sing happy birthday for mommy.
Happy. Mommy, what? Oh, thank you.
I just want to take that up. You want to sing happy birthday for me?
Yeah.
Sing for me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah! Give me big kisses. Mwah. That's how old I am today. I'm fascinated with you.
What's that? The camera?
That is camera. You
Oh,
can't get it?
a picture?
It's a dash cam.
Oh, picture it.
Okay, here.
Show the message.
It's my birthday and I can do what I like. So yeah, it's my mother's birthday. So I decided my mother effing birthday. You know I can't curse on the vlog. So whatever it is. So I'm doing a little mini vlog. Basically a pamper day to get ready for my birthday. I'm heading out to go and do my lashes, my nails, and do some last minute shopping. So journey with us as we take on the day morning. Hi baby.
I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it.
It's fun, but it takes a lot of work. Social media. Time consuming, but once you have fun with it, once you don't take it too serious, then you can be consistent. Which is what I'm trying to do, not take it too serious. And once it becomes work, I'm no longer interested.
Doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
So this is the after, and I am loving them. How cute are these? So I'm gonna get my brows done as well, and then I should be out of here. But I am loving these. They're so cute. And I love how natural they look, because I'm definitely a natural girl. I don't like the extra stuff, so that's a plus, guys. It's so cute.
Trust me.
Just wake up, I'm cute, so don't you?
It's like a stairs.
I mean, it is. What is it? Matches. Yeah, I'm on the shampoo. Because this needs for washing. I'm going to have no for washing.
So when you're using the shampoo, just shake the bottle and then brush it down here.
Okay. So I'm all done. Looking so cute. I love it. So I did a tint on my brows, and then I got a classic set, and it is so cute and natural. See? So I just wake up and cute. As Stephanie said, girl, I just wake up and cute. So I'm getting, what is this, cleanser? I'm getting some cleanser for my lashes. And I'm supposed to wash them every day. I don't know what about there go. But yeah, tip. Can tell them where to find you.
10 King Street, across from the fire station.
Across from the fire station, guys. Check them out on Instagram at Just Made Aesthetics, and I'll put a tag here, and you guys can come on over for your lashes. brows, waxing, you name it. So I'm going to go across the street now to go and do my nails because they're looking a bit janky. So I'll see you in a bit. Trying to pick up some packages. Hopefully they're here, because every time I get a notification saying my packages are here, they're not. So let's see. Fingers crossed, because I need these packages today.
We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it.
Guys, I finally got my package. And I'm trying to go get my nails done. Well, I got one package so far. I have like 2 more left. Hopefully them reach by Saturday, they said. But for now, I'm just trying to get my nails done. And then I should be going home. I'm not forgetting food first. So yeah, journey with me. So I'm at the nail tech, trying to get these nails done, as I said in the last clip. So I'm finally here, and I'm going to insert the style that I'm getting, or the style that I want to get, and then we can see how well she nailed it. So it's gonna be like what I asked for versus what I got. So I'm just gonna put it right here. These are what I want. I'm definitely a pink girl. I don't always get pink nails, like come on. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the process, not too long. And I'm here by Slayyy by Sidoni. You can find her on Instagram. I'm gonna put her name right here as well, so you guys can go and check her out.
I can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking. Hey, going hot, so hot, just like an oven. And I don't burn myself, I just had to touch it. It's so fine, it's so nice, baby. We don't mind all the watching.
Here are the motherfucking new nails.
Guys, let me know in the comments if you think she nailed it. No pun intended. I love them. I'm in Bashko currently. I feel like I can't hear me. But yeah, I'm in Bashko. Yes, busy. Kind of loud, so I don't even know if you guys can hear me. But yeah, I'm just trying to find a kettle. I'm seeing some really nice ones. This is the one I'm used to here, so maybe I can get that one again, but where I say it kind of mash up kind of fast, so maybe I try another brand, but hopefully I know see nothing else more, because listen, I was saying to get a kettle and that's what I'm getting, so let's see. These for 36. These look cool. 6-1. Yeah, so that's why we got these, because I assume so these are the more expensive type. Oh, pretty nails. I'm loving them. I got a cut here the other day, guys. Don't know where. Must have dopey bite me or something.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah. This is the one I'm looking to get. Brentwood. This is the same brand. So I guess I can just pick any one of these. 6-1, 5749. Doesn't really matter the size. They have the JSWs for 2.9. And we've had these before. So maybe I pre this, not sure. But yeah. Maybe I should have walked that way. So I'm over by Home Goods, looking at curtain. The kids in my hand. I'm trying to see if I can get one of these curtains. Here, these are really nice, but I think I want white. Definitely want a solid color. So white would have been perfect, but I'm not seeing any whites. Guys, see this marble looking one? This is really nice. Has like some marble tones to it. It's really nice. I might get this one. How many? 1 panel? Might need more than a panel, a single panel.
Money and a thing, we up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide.
So other than the kettle and the curtain, I definitely need some cushions. So I know Bashka has some really nice cushions over here. So many nice colors to choose from. I'm not gonna leave this on the outside. I'll definitely get coverings for them, but I'm definitely gonna pick up about 2 or so for now. So I literally need 2 for now, and let's just see what else I can find, because I just love spin apparently. Hope you guys are hearing me because the place is kind of noisy, but I'm hot. Yeah, bun up guys. And they have a nice selection of towels as well. So yeah, let me get the towel, the pillow cushions, and then I'm out of here.
Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna.
Guys, why the 2 little things them come to eat over the... I don't understand. I thought Basco was cheap. No sir, 8 grand. As I leave the house, you spend 10 grand, I swear.
Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be.
So guys, I'm back home. I literally just got in. I am so tired. So I guess lashes check, brows check, nails check, and I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. So I'm going to see if I can pull these locks out right now so I can get my hair washed, and then get my wig made tomorrow by my sister. She's supposed to come over here, so hopefully she can help me out to pull this out and wash my hair because girls are handicapped. So yeah, so I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the
Guys, this is the birthday thing right here. I'm just wearing this little scrunched up top and some nice palazzo pants and my little black sandals as usual. My cute little bag from Couture. And yeah, let them jam yours come up. Vada, whatever I want, and then pour more.
back. You know she wants mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna be. I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner.
It's late. So we're leaving. Is it Voda? Vibes on the Acres Voda Lounge. So we're leaving Voda right now. And I want to go home, but they don't want to go home. They want to go to the car. And Shanice's tired and I want to sleep. It's my birthday, but still, William, guys, it's very late. Oh. Yeah, go like say you don't take it up for free, go get him. What's wrong with you? Jason. I'm not editing that out. Diction. Chinese.
Yeah, Mr. When you reach at the gas station? No, the one
Guys.
Total.
Tomorrow.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on.
Guys, let me know if I should start doing hair tutorials on my channel. Mister, can I do hair in here? Remember? You don't remember me to do my hair? I all bleach here.
How could I do this?
So you're too light. If you don't remember, you're wicked. You don't remember me to buy volume 40 someday?
I used to
Ah,
bleach
bleach out
the hair
the hair
pieces
then.
whenever I used to do the hair.
So who used to do the hair?
I used to do her sewing the hair.
No, I make sure I'm associated different, but when it comes to styling, I used to style. Could I curl it? Could I use a flat iron and do the nice curl? Girl.
Look like Auntie Donna, I'm not lying.
Your bird.
I don't with them look good.
Auntie Donna was
And
here.
dry them for the fire.
Make up yourself, Auntie Donna. I was around
You try to make sure you're not post this, yeah. And I laugh with you. So I get the name there, so you're going
I'm lucky.
Belly teeth.
Come on.
What stage them where did
It's
the
so
cane
nice,
roll? Where did the cane roll?
No, I don't want any cane. Come on.
You can't do
Night
that.
a come. Please and thanks.
Oh, wait, you want me to mousse it?
Just come no
And
man.
I'll spray back up.
We might justify. Fucking night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed it.
This is a nice picture I put on page and show some Malay wig.
I know you lay wig, so I'm me lay wig. As me never
You want
day
a
here.
thump in your move.
We never day here.
The ear look good.
We might justify. Fucking night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy. She love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30.
So guys, we've come to the end of another video. This was just a mini pamper day, if you may, or pamper days plus a night out. So yeah, if you made it thus far into the video, comment self-care. And I mean, self-care doesn't have to be like all this materialistic stuff. It could be meditating, getting a little massage, you know, you name it. But yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, and as usual, share this video with your friends, let them know that the Couture fam is where it's at, and don't forget to subscribe. So stay tuned for my next video, which is basically my post birthday outing with my friends, and that's gonna be lit. Trust me, it's gonna be wow. I'm expecting a chill day. It's gonna be a Sunday, so here the yang them in my background. Anyways guys, see you in the next video. Bye.